In this video, we're going to be talking about the scripted fields in ScriptRunner for Jira Cloud. So this is not for the data center, so the script itself might be a bit different. And the script field that I wanted to show you is the show the sprint dates. This is actually a scripted field that is really useful to have, because if we actually go and edit, we're going to see that it's getting the issues by the key, and there is also finding the sprint date. And this means that it will only go for the issues that are within the active sprint. So this does not apply for the backlog items. Of course, I'm talking about Scrum. So what this actually means, if this is indeed true, that then it's doing the substring and also doing so you're gonna be seeing the start date, and you're also gonna be seeing the end date. So that custom field will actually be showing what is the sprint start date. So we can go here and we can test this for the specific issue. So I'm gonna go for this one, for example, and I'm going to test it out. And when I test it out, you're going to see a result. And since it doesn't belong to this part of the code, so this is false. So since this is false, it's saying that this issue is not currently in the active sprints. Now, if you actually look for some issues, for example, plat 49. So if I go and say plat 49, and I also test this issue, it's going to say when the sprint is starting and when it's actually ending. That's one thing. The another thing that is important for you to know, since this is actually called a show sprint dates, if we go to our work items right here, and if we go for show, this is the field itself. So it's short text, and we have it as the searcher template, which is this one. Now, what you need to do is you need to add this field to the screen. And I already did this for the plat project, so it's actually there. And we can actually see it in the general tab. So when I go to plat 49, we actually see it in here, show sprint dates. This is the sprint starting, and this is the sprint ending. So this is actually really good to have an idea when is it ending. Plat 47, same thing. We can actually see it in here as well. If we go for the backlog itself, and if we look for the backlog, and it's going to say add text. And this is because it's actually in the backlog. It's not the active sprint. And there you have it. That's how this scripted field actually works. And this is how you can use it within your Scrum project. So the developers and Scrum Masters can have an idea when is it going to end. Even though if it's saying like 10 more days until the end of the sprint and everything else, it's not the same thing. So yeah, that's basically it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.